In this video, I'll show you how to create your own video double, a video avatar, in just 20 minutes without endless retakes, complicated cameras, or a studio. And most importantly, I'll show you how to make it look alive, not creepy and plastic, the kind you don't even know how to look at. A digital avatar is your video double. It gestures just like you, speaks like you, has your intonations, and at the same time, it doesn't require filming, cameras, or a studio. In fact, you can sit around in slippers and a bathrobe and calmly write out what it should say. And most likely you've heard the idea that now video avatars can do everything. You don't even need to create content anymore. Basically, smart machines will do everything for us. I don't like this point of view. I'm recording this video live because I believe that for any expert, real contact with their audience is valuable and important. But at the same time, I support reasonable automation. There are times when you really don't have time for content, or, well, you just can't record it in good quality right now, and that's when a video double can really help you out. So, to get started, go to the HeyGen website. The link is in the description. Everything here is very straightforward. You see the option to register. Accordingly, you can sign up using your email or through your Google or Apple account. I have my Google account linked, so we can just go through smoothly. And then you end up basically in your personal dashboard. What are we interested in here? First and foremost, we're interested in the pricing plans. So there's a free plan, but honestly, it's really just for playing around because it only lets you generate 3 videos per month, each no longer than 30 seconds. So it's fine for testing, but it's not suitable for full-fledged work. The creator plan, in my opinion, is the most optimal option. First of all, it allows you to generate videos up to 30 minutes long. This means you can generate short videos, reels, shorts, clips, and also create longer videos, for example, horizontal ones for YouTube, YouTube, or Zen. So here, you're basically not limited in any way. Next, you have the ability to create 1 video avatar and 100 looks. What's the fundamental difference between them? A video avatar is just me. So I am 1 video avatar, and for example, my husband would be a second video avatar. That means I can create my own video avatar by uploading a video recorded according to the instructions. And looks means that I can upload up to 100 more videos of myself. For example, I could be in a field, in my office, walking down the street, or sitting in a park. Basically, my creativity ran out after 4 looks, but you can upload up to 100. So when creating different videos with my video avatar, I can use different looks. This way, your video content will be as diverse as possible. So you're not always just sitting at a desk in your office, for example. You can now walk down the street and it'll look as if you're filming yourself. To create your own avatar, you'll need to record a short video. I've prepared a separate guide on how to create it without fancy equipment, a super studio, or incredible camera settings. Be sure to watch it so you can get everything right the first time and don't have to re-record 10 times. To create your avatar, just click on Avatar and then Create New Avatar. We don't need any of the options below Choose Hyper-Realistic Avatar, the very top one, as it gives you the highest quality and all the features. Here, you'll be told how to properly record the video instruction. You can skip this step and just click Let's Move On. Your video is already ready. Okay, look, we've moved on to the next step. Here, they repeat the instructions once more on how to create the right video for your video avatar. If you watch my tutorial, then everything is already set up correctly for you without any unnecessary hassle. So just skip it and click Next. And here you simply upload your video. You have the option to use a camera or a phone here. Honestly, I wouldn't recommend using these options. The best option is to use the first one, upload a ready-made video through files. Select the video you've created and simply upload it here. Next, you'll need to record your consent. Choose Russian as the language and simply read aloud the text that is shown to you. This recording doesn't go anywhere. It's only needed by the platform to confirm that you are legally creating this video avatar for yourself. After that, the video goes into processing, and after some time, it will appear here, possibly with a picture like this. So now we already have 1 hyper-realistic video avatar, and we can work with it. Now, you can create videos without your direct involvement, maybe, while you're sitting somewhere in a swimsuit on the beach, and your video avatar, dressed smartly in a suit, will be giving useful advice on your behalf. Now, I'll show you how I create a video using a digital avatar in HeyGen. First, click on Create Video, then on the video avatar, and choose the desired format. vertical for Reels and Shorts, or horizontal for YouTube. Then select your avatar. Next, go to the script section. Here you can paste text, record, or upload a voiceover. I usually use the second option. It sounds more lively and natural. But this time, I'll paste the text. You can also add text and elements. Click submit, and in 3 to 5 minutes, your video will be ready. That's it. No camera, no lighting, no retakes. Here are 3 life hacks to make videos with your digital double look more lifelike. Use your own voice for the voiceover, add cutaways and inserts, and use formats like analysis or commentary. Let's break it down a little more. So sometimes the video avatar may lack certain facial expressions or your gestures. For example, I usually gesture, articulate, and mimic very actively. Accordingly, in order for your videos to look as natural and convincing as possible and to not raise any suspicion at all, you need to gently shift the viewer's focus just a bit away from your face and lips and instead direct it elsewhere, perhaps to another part of the scene. So what can help you with this? First of all, it's voicing the video with your own voice. In HeyGen, you can simply input the text and it will generate the voiceover. Personally, in my opinion, the text lacks a bit of liveliness. The result is a somewhat artificial, you could say plastic-sounding voiceover. So overall, I don't really like it yet. I think that, of course, it will improve over time. But you can upload your own voiceover, and accordingly, the video avatars, the lip movements will match exactly how you speak, only it will be your own voice. So I personally prefer this option. You can easily record your voiceover in absolutely any player. I usually do it in InShot, for example, and then upload it to HeyGen. It turns out more natural, more interesting, and more emotional. The second option is about shifting the viewer's attention. These are cutaways and inserts, so it's not just a talking head, but something changes. It could be memes, clips from movies, a table, or just some kind of transition with a word on it. In other words, you shift the focus away from them. Accordingly, cutaways draw attention away from facial expressions, so any slight lack of expressiveness becomes less noticeable. And the next option is to use a review format, or a my opinion format, or commentary. This is especially convenient because you can cut out your video avatar and place it on any background, for example, in the corner. As a result, your main video is more dynamic and draws the viewer's attention. And then it's your avatar that delivers the commentary.